I 3D printed an invisibility shield. But let me explain what I mean by that. This is called a lenticular lens, and it works by a series of prisms that refract light in different ways, giving the illusion that whatever you've put behind it has just disappeared. Now, if you have a triple monitor setup, lenticular lenses can be useful because you can put them in between the bezels and make the bezels disappear. Just like this Asus kit here, the only problem is it costs £112, which is what brought me here. Now you can find this file on MakerWorld or Printables if you just look up invisibility shield, and you've got some clear PETG on hand. The quality of this effect in the end genuinely shocked me. I think they might be better than my purpose-built bought ones from Etsy.